Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to My Two Bites, and I have something very special with me. Yes, of course, it's an SG bat, but do you know who uses this bat? Yes, you heard it right. Who uses this bat? This bat, or rather this model, is named after a very popular Indian cricketer, and he is the one who currently uses this. The branding, or rather the product name of this bat is a hint for you: HP33. Did you guys get it? HP Hardik Pandya. Yes, that's correct. This is Hardik Pandya's bat, and 33 is his jersey number. Now I have received this bat from SCS Sports, that is Selection Center Sports, which is located in Mumbai. And if you stay in Mumbai, you can find them at Andheri and Dhobi Talao. Now this bat, as I mentioned, is a bat that is being used by Hardik Pandya. So you can imagine, obviously, there has to be some pricing to it. And trust me, it does in a way justify with the kind of shots he goes with. This bat is priced at 49,999. That is a 50,000 rupee bat. Yes, this is a 50,000 rupee bat, and just look at it. Isn't it a beauty in terms of the grains, the color? It's just awesome. It, from the front, has this nice camouflage military color kind of a stickering all over here in the front. It has just HP33 written over here. It has the SG branding and nothing else. It's very clean. On the sides, again, you see this HP33 embossed over here, and here you have the slogan from HP: Believe, Become. Again, you have the full name, what SG stands for, that is Sansparier's Green Lens. I always thought it was Sunil Gavaskar, by the way, but yes, of course, I am not very sure how many of you all thought that, but I did think of it all this while since childhood. But yeah, now this is how the bat looks like. This is how the bat looks from one side. From the other side, it has the same kind of a look: HP33, Believe, Become at the lower half, and the Sansparier's Green Lens written on one side. This is how the bat is. Now if you were to look at the curve, there isn't too much of a curve going. Now if you were to look at it, I mean, if even I move my hand on top of it, there isn't too much of a curve going over here. From the sides also, the thickness isn't huge, and I'm sure it's not about the thickness of the bat that generates the power. Of course, it's the quality of the willow and the power that an individual uses. I mean, we all know Hardik Pandya, the kind of core strength that comes in his shots is obviously from his core area. The kind of power that goes off is also complemented along with this beautiful willow. Now if you were to look at it, it has these beautiful straight grains. If I were to count them, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 straight grains placed quite close to each other. It's also because of the number of grains that go into a bat that gets to the price that this bat is at. So obviously 11 grains means something. I mean, by default it is coming with some good quality willow over here, and that shows in the kind of shots that go off the bat. I'm sure when we will be later on looking at the ping that is coming off the bat, we will come to know how good the ping is of this bat. Now if you were to ask me, this bat weighs 1150 grams. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a heavy bat. It weighs at 1150 grams, just the kind of weight that I like. And trust me, this is what probably Hardik Pandya has been using. Of course, we know that he's not a very huge man in terms of his build, but he definitely has this core strength that he utilizes, and I'm sure with an additional grip probably which he uses, it must be serving him just the way it is. Now having said all of this, please bear in mind that it is Hardik Pandya at the end of the day, and I'm sure all of these individual cricketers have their specifics when they're going and having a particular bat weight. So they must be customizing it to a certain extent, and always as it is, the willows are different on different bats. So it's not at all necessary how this bat look. The next HP33 or the HP33 that you would end up looking at some other store, or probably two different HP 33s will definitely not be the same completely. There is bound to be some difference somewhere or the other, apart from the pricing. The pricing is going to remain the same, that is what it is. But even in terms of the stickering, it will remain the same. But even in terms of the grains, or the number of the way the grains are spaced out, it might be different. You can see on this bat on the front itself, there are absolutely no knots, no blemishes, and it better be for the price of the bat that it is at. So this is what the bat is overall. If I were to talk about the handle, it comes across in this nice combination of this military camouflage kind of a green happening over here and white over here. On top you have this SH short handle sticker. That is what the bat is, and on the grip there is this SG logo which is embossed on top of the grip. So this is how the bat is. Now if I were to talk about the bat feel in the hand, it's a beauty. I mean, I don't even think I need to say anything. It's just a beautiful bat, just flowing very nice and smooth when if you probably hold it into your driving hand and move it around. So if you are one of those who likes lighter bats, and of course you are the one who probably would want to spend on a bat, you definitely can look for this bat, because I mean, of course, in terms of its performance, we've seen how he plays with this bat. But in terms of the pure willow, by default it comes across as a lovely piece of wood in your hand. You just want to hold it and you just want to go with it. Trust me. Let's just go ahead and see how the ball feels, or the ping feels of this bat. Did you just look at that? It's just awesome. I don't think I should be saying more about this bat in terms of the ping, because by default it is a beauty. Now if I were to talk about the sweet spot, it's slightly on the upper side. This is what I feel just by looking at it. It's slightly on top over here, around this area, as opposed to being over here, which a lot of bats end up having. This is slightly on the upper half, ensuring that the willow is distributed nicely around this area. So if you want to play those lofted drives, or you want to play your drives, or even on the back foot, your pull shots, it is going to ensure good power coming off this bat, because the weight distribution is nice all around this area. This entire, from here till here, it's nicely evenly distributed in terms of the chunk of the wood. So this was my opportunity holding this beauty with me. It's a brilliant bat. I thought that I should cover this, and it was very kind of SCS Sports to have given me this bat to probably provide a review to you guys. So yes, if you'd want to understand what a Hardik Pandya bat is, this is what it is. This is the brand which has been named after him, or rather this is the product that has been named after him, and this is what he is using. So this is a beauty. If you get a chance, even if you're not buying it, do check it up at your local sports store if you have one. So this was my bit of this HP 33. I don't think I have the qualifications to actually give you a review on this particular bat, but because I'm sure it is a good bat. But this is what I felt, and I thought that I would share with you. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, so that whenever I come up with more videos, you are the one to see it when I'm out with it. Thank you so much, and take good care. Bye bye.